Hello out there in YouTube land. This is your old pal, Mr. Pete, and welcome to my channel. As you can see, today we have a helicopter. Make that 2 helicopters. I do believe these helicopters came in from Korea. As you can see, they don't have the blades. There's the serial number. And there's the other serial number. As you can see, they're a matching pair. Also, the part of the tail fin is off. Oh, I hope I didn't damage it. I believe that's non-retractable landing gear. Well, it could be if I'm wrong. So yeah. Oh, by the way, the doors are locked, so I am not going in them. Hope they have a good new home. So, there's the skid. Put your feet. Tie down. Tie down. It's in French, so can't read it. Yeah, these are 2 Eurocopter models. So yeah, give this video a like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and as always, may the live long and may the force be forever in your favor. This is Mr. Pete, out.